Sir, I stand here on behalf of the All India Trinamool Congress to gladly support the 127th Amendment Bill 2021. With the full support, sir, I'm making an appeal to you because I'm feeling a little sad, but I'm sure the appeal will work. Yesterday, there was a 7 or 8 hour discussion in the Lok Sabha. Today we've had 2 hours, about 6 more hours to go. Sir, we are missing somebody in Parliament. We're really missing our Honorable Prime Minister. So, through you, sir, I make an humble appeal. We've still got 5 or 6 hours to go. This is an important constitutional amendment bill. I'm sure my appeal will not fall on deaf ears and he will come here to listen to us. Or else, in the Olympic spirit, we can have a cutout too, but that would not be very parliamentary. Sir, and there is no doubt our Honorable Prime Minister is a great believer in the Olympic Games, so there is an Olympic god. The Olympic god was Poseidon. Now Poseidon is linked today. Poseidon is linked to army, media, ministers, activists, judiciary, opposition members. Abhishek Banerjee, how is it, sir? Because Poseidon's son is called, the Olympic god Poseidon's son is called, sir, Pegasus. So maybe tomorrow, day after, if you want to extend this discussion also, we'd like to come and discuss this on the floor of the House. So I'm also very happy today because I'm the second speaker from the opposition. Now it may be a coincidence. The first speaker from the opposition was my friend and colleague who is an MP from West Bengal. My friend and colleague Abhishek Manu Singhvi is an MP from sent by which MLAs? By the Congress Party and the Trinamool Congress, sir. So this is not a coincidence because I wasn't going to talk about elections. I was going to talk straight into the OBC bill. But the previous speaker told me he's going to win some election in 2023 or 2022. So I mildly want to remind him, sir, with 9% OBCs in Bengal, with 30% scheduled caste and tribe in Bengal, with 50% women in Bengal, we actually don't want to talk about the election, sir, because we don't talk. We do. But it seems that the nightmare is continuing and our friends here can't get away from Bengal because first Singhvi and now O'Brien. And Bengal, sir, that Bengal election was not, because we're discussing a constitution today, it was not just an election against my party's manifesto versus another party's manifesto, sir. Our interpretation is it was an election against a manifesto against the constitution one, sir. Sir, since I'm not a trained lawyer, I won't always use pretty words. Now, ektu Banglaয়, na pori shoite, na pori koite. Sir, I'll translate for you, sir. Na pari shoite, na pari koite. This basically means neither can I bear the pain, nor can I express myself. And I'm actually referring to the legislation. What is this government's track record on poor legislation? Mistakes, oversight, carelessness. Those were the words of my fellow MP from Bengal. I'm a bit more blunt, sir. Incompetence, and let me give you examples, sir. The first one, my party, like every other parties, Trinamool Congress dissent note said the amendment to the constitution through this bill undermines the role of state governments, state commissions. It's all there in the dissent note, much before we went to the Supreme Court. But I want to use today through you, sir, to present how deep is this incompetence of legislation, because we're talking on a constitutional amendment. 2016, a fantastic example, GST. They passed the bill, we all support it, we want them on the implementation. This is a real record. 376 changes were made to GST in 10 months. My request to you to the government, is take our advice. Suniye, I'm giving suggestions. I'm giving you. This is the problem, sir. The only point I'm trying to make, they have to understand. हड़बड़ मत करो, हमारा सजेशंस लो, गियर चेंज करो, नहीं तो बंगाल में जो हुआ बाकी देश में भी हो जाएगा. Now,
Mr. Derek.
Sir,
Mr. Derek.
One GST. I'm on the. Sir, my hypothesis is that my hypothesis.
आप chair को नहीं, ऐसे नहीं बोलो.
Sir, GST is
मैं
one.
कहना चाहता हूं उससे.
चलो. GST, I gave you one example. Sir, the Honorable Home Minister was here a few months ago, 1 year ago. Citizenship Amendment Act. On the floor of the House, the Honorable Home Minister, not some ordinary person, Home Minister, talked about the Citizenship Amendment Act. What happened? Dikhawat. Kuch nahi hua. Again, you come here and make this as Parliament, sir. So I'll give you one more example, which all of us know. I'll only use the 2 words: farm bills. Again, what did you do? You didn't listen. So you have a history, sir. The problem is,
Please.
when you speak,
Please.
you see.
Please, you continue.
That is why, actually,
No, you continue, please.
allow me, this is my fourth interruption.
Yes.
Farm bill. So basic hypothesis is that fault 1, fault 2, lovely, you correct the fault, then you correct the fault and then you congratulate yourself. This is a basic thing what my fellow colleague, my fellow MP from Bengal and I are trying to say. Now comes, sir, to the core issue of federalism. Good. In this bill, you've done the correction. But I've done a study, and I shouldn't be saying I know. It's a whole team in Trinamool who've done a study. We've studied the last 98 bills passed in Parliament. Out of the 98 passed, 29 are core anti-federal bills. 29. Now anti-federal. 6,90,000 crores promised to the states. Now you're making all these promises, you're saying federal. You have not given the states 6,90,000 crores. It's an assault on federalism. In 2000, sir, listen. Let me explain to these people. The basic hypothesis of the Supreme Court, the OBC, has been made by my opening batsman. We've discussed our speeches yesterday.
Please.
That is the coordination we have in the opposition. What is the problem if we do that? Sir, now you come to one interesting point. Again, the states. 2014, the states would spend 46%. Now the states are spending 65% on programs they undertake. So why no caste-based census? Why no caste-based census? It's an obvious question. It's a rhetorical question. But
Please.
you
please,
see,
Please.
you see the BJP.
Yes,
The
sir.
BJP has one answer to all the problems. The real reason for all this is even in 2018, Pandit
Please.
Nehru did this. Pandit Nehru did a draft wrong. Have some humility and say sometimes you made a mistake. You said you were. Sir,
Please, Derek, you continue.
you protect me, sir.
Please, you continue.
You see, sir,
please.
we allowed them to do the. We allowed the
Please.
two. These are MPs.
You
We
continue.
allowed the top two. We allowed the top two to do the talking for
Derek,
3 months. So
Derek.
what to do? You're disturbing.
No, please.
Protect me.
1 minute.
Protect
Mr.
me.
Derek.
On this, because of this caste-based census is not done, and I want to take you back, because again, it's a small group of people. It doesn't matter. OBC, SC, ST, we're small groups. Look at the 126th amendment which Parliament passed. The point I'm trying to make here is that the smaller you become, the more the majoritarianism attacks you. 126th amendment, we all welcomed it. We all welcomed it. Why? Because you took the SC, ST reservation up by 10 years. We said not 10 years, take it by 30 years. But what did you do? Cheap stunt. A small community of 400,000, the Anglo-Indian community, you took away their reservation in the 10 assemblies and in the 2 MPs. What did you tell them? What did you tell them? You told them the census said 200 people. Right, sir? Now, बोलने दीजिए ना सर क्या?
Please, आप बोलिए please. Please, you continue.
You see, sir.
You continue, please.
Now, sir.
So listen. Please quiet. Well, please you continue.
So now you know why. Now you know why this government doesn't want to discuss the son of Poseidon. Because if we start discussing it, then lots of skeletons will come out of the cupboards. Sir, in conclusion, if
Sir,
I can give, how many minutes?
You have 1 minute.
1 minute left. Out of 2 minutes, they BJP took. So give me 3
In
minutes.
in 1 minute.
Sir, listen no.
Yes.
You tell me to sit down.
No, please you continue.
वहाँ तो 220 फीट हो गया. अभी क्या आगे पार्लियामेंट में बोलेगा यार? Sir, I want to make 2 points. One is on the ground, the implementation. Out of 9 OBC professors' posts, out of 313 quota empty, look carefully at some of your states, especially Uttar Pradesh. 48% of OBC students dropping out of IITs, IIM. These are the big issues we have to give. Just don't give them the numbers. Make sure, sir, they are implemented. My last point, sir, because in the last 22 days, 35 bills and everyone is patting themselves on the back. Sir, this was written for me yesterday by a very famous Indian lady, internationally famous, not Mamta Di, okay? So we were talking about how do you summarize what is happening in the last 2 years in India? This is beautiful, sir. I want to leave this with you. This is not some international quote. And I reiterate that we fully support this constitution amendment. This is what is written, sir. Please listen to this. And maybe afterwards you can give me your Hindi translation, which will make it even better.
Okay.
We must not forget the dead. We must not forget the dead. Summer of dying. Monsoon of spying. Year-round lying. Thank you, sir.